Yes, who be that?
Koji, na me, sir.
You be who?
Na Ramsdale, sir.
Enter, door dey open.
Koji, good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. Wetin carry you come?
Koji, abeg, I wan ask you for one small favor. That is if e go dey possible.
Wetin be the favor?
Koji, I know say e get time wey I be no dey catch ball the way wey you like. But now I don improve well well. So tey, you no go believe with your eyes wetin I fit save.
How you take improve?
You no dey even look my side for training. Na why you never see am? You fit go ask around. I dey save things now. I been go one unknown jungle go do industrial training with one guru monkey like that.
What?
He train me for 2 solid months. I even get certificate wey he give me. See am, sir.
Jesus!
With this certificate now, I don add the title of savior to my name.
Wait, so you go jungle go find monkey wey go train you?
Yes, sir, but not be ordinary monkey oh. That monkey na guru. He teach me many things. If you like, go ask my teammates. Them they carry their relationship problem come meet me now, and I dey save them. Even Raya wey they use bench me, he come meet me say him girlfriend won't leave him. Na me help am save him relationship.
Oh my
You be like say
God.
na only relationship this guru monkey teach you how to save.
No, he teach me how to save everything. Even now, some doctors they call me say make I come help them save their patient life. Central bank governors they call me to help them come save their national currencies.
All these things wey you dey tell me say you dey save. I no understand though. Me na just ball I want make you dey save for me.
Na him I dey talk now. If I dey save all these complex things, wetin be ball wey I no go fit save? In fact, sir, I go see that post. Nothing go fit enter.
So the favor wey you dey ask from me now, na say make I make you my first choice goalkeeper.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I don hear you. I go think about am.
Now wow, Koji, this your think about am dey somehow now. With all this my evidence.
Wetin be your problem? I don tell you say I go think about am.
Sorry, sir. But sir, just in case the think no think well, you fit still send me give another better club this coming January transfer window.
Get out of my office before I forget one bullet for your eye.
Sorry, sir.
Which kind nonsense book be this sef? Why I go dey travel around the world dey play exhibition matches just because I no want make Ororo carry another Ballon d'Or? Abeg, no be me ball go kill Joe. Who be this one now? Hey! My guy! The only man wey bite my dog run enter house.
What?
One and only Ballon d'Or acquisitor.
Suarez, how far na? He don tey well oh.
My brother, I just dey like Dele o.
I hear say you bite hat-trick comot una rival head last week.
Oh
No
my
mind those
God.
people. Them things I go pity them.
Na true say you dey plan to come join me for dis yeye club when I one day retire?
Now why I even call you sef? I hear say you been tell them say make them sign better players if they want move forward.
Yes o, na wetin I tell dem. I don tire to dey carry overgrown babies wey no sabi play ball for head. If I get small injury or go international duty, anybody wey dem jam go trash dem.
But Jordi Alba and Busquets dey there now.
Omo, dem no dey enough o. Na last dem bin dey carry before I join dem.
Why you come go join that kind club now?
I bin wan prove to all my haters and even Ororo say me sef sabi carry useless club for back win trophy, and I don prove am. But now, to win that MLS, even Maradona and Pele go need to join hand carry that team. Dem even tell me say dem dey try contact Rakitic join.
Okay now just because of you I go like join.
Oya now, but make I warn you o.
Wetin be that?
You go take am easy with that your biting o. Because if you bite person for here, na so dem go carry you go keep. No be jail.
No worry about that one. Them never see anything.